Question number 4C, the second one. The sum is for 4 marks. Phi of s is given 1 divided by s cube s minus 1. So we need to solve this. We need to find f of t, L inverse of that. So as there are factors in denominator, we need to use partial fraction. So I can say 1 upon s cube s minus 1 can be written as a upon s cube, b upon s square, c upon s, 1 upon s minus 1. So that is d upon s minus 1. So we can find a, that is s equal to 0. So when you put s equal to 0, we get minus 1. We can find d, s equal to 1, so we get 1. Let's put this equation here, 1 upon s cube s minus 1. I'm substituting an equation, so a is minus 1 upon s cube plus b upon s square, c upon s, and the last is 1 upon d minus 1. So I have used 0 and 1. Let's use two different numbers to find b and c. So I say put s is equal to minus 1. So this comes as minus 1 divided by minus 2 divided by, equal to minus 1, and here also it becomes minus 1 plus b upon s square minus, that's b upon 1 minus c by 1, and the last is, here it is not d, it's s minus 1, so s is minus 1, this changes to minus 2. I can say this equation as b minus c is equal to, this is 1 by 2 either, this becomes plus 1 by 2, so minus 1 by 2 on another side, and this is minus minus cancel, so that becomes minus 1. So b minus c is equal to, this and this gets cancelled, minus 1. I can say this is my one equation. Now put one more value. So let's say put s is equal to 2. When we put s equal to 2 here, that becomes 1 divided by 8 into 1, that is equal to, here you can put minus 1 upon s cube, so that becomes 8, then plus b by s square plus b divided by 4, then plus c by s, so plus c by 2, and the last is 1 upon s minus 1, so 1 upon 2 minus 1, that becomes 1. I can write b by 4, c by 2, that is equal to 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 minus 1. So this becomes 2 by 8, 1 by 4 minus 1. So that becomes minus 3 by 4. So b by 4 plus c by 2, you get as this. I can say this as second equation. So equation number 1 and 2 you can solve simultaneously and you can find b and c. So after solving two equations, we get b as minus 1 and c as minus 1. So I can substitute in the main equation. So I say y of s is equal to, so a upon s cube, where a is minus 1. So I say minus 1 upon s cube, and then b upon s square. So b I have got as minus 1 upon s square. C I have got as minus 1 and d is 1. So I say here minus 1 upon s plus 1 upon s minus 1. So you can say y of t is equal to minus 1 upon s cube, so minus t square upon 2 minus t minus 1 plus e raised to plus t. That's my answer. And we have completed Unicity question paper solution for Laplace transform for December 14 paper. Thank you for watching video in 5 minutes.